Hi all, in the last video we talked about environment. There are three components of environment: natural, man-made and human. Land, water, air, living things comprise the natural environment. The land area is called lithosphere, water is hydrosphere and air is atmosphere. And area where all these interact with living things is called biosphere. Now let us learn some more facts about lithosphere. The inner part of Earth comprises of three layers. The innermost layer is core, which is in molten state. And then we have outer core. The next part is mantle. We will learn about all these three in the next chapter. Today we are going to focus on lithosphere. The lithosphere is the solid part or the hard top layer of the Earth. The part covering the lithosphere on which we live and walk on is called crust. Now let us look at lithosphere in detail. Lithosphere is the domain that provides us forest, a grassland for grazing and land for agriculture. Lithosphere is made up of rocks and minerals and is covered by a very thin layer of soil on the top. It is an irregular surface with various landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, and valleys. Landforms are found not just on continents but also on ocean floors. Ocean floors have landforms like rifts, trenches, etc. Oceanic trenches are long, narrow depressions on the seafloor. We also have other forms of ocean landforms which we are going to talk about later. Now let us look at hydrosphere. The domain of water is called hydrosphere. It comprises of various sources of water and different type of water bodies like rivers, lake, sea, ocean, etc. It is home to large number of animals and plants. Scientists estimate that about 1 million species of animals live in ocean. Most of them, however, are invertebrates. Invertebrate means without backbone. Now let us look at the third component, that is atmosphere. The atmosphere is a thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. It comprises of various gases, dust and water vapor. The gravitational force of earth holds the atmosphere around it. Our atmosphere also protects us from harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. The changes in atmosphere produces change in weather and climate. We have seen that the three components of nature are required to support life. Do you think it is possible to live without even one of them? In the next video, we are going to talk about it, and further we are going to talk about our ecosystem. If you have liked the video, please do think of subscribing it. Thank you for watching.